All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 5437 41st Ave Southwest. Date is April 9th, 2021. Making this recording from a customer dug hole here kind of in the front corner of the yard. I'm going to come back from the city main you see flowing by in front of us. Coming back from here is everything back from here is the responsibility of the homeowner here. So we're going to get a look at the line and get a footage for a liner estimate. So coming back, I'm ready to come on back, David. We're coming back out of that 6-inch city stub into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. Got a seam every 2 feet or so.
At the very end there was that little lip.
Yep.
Were you able to get over that?
I was with the camera, but I am not going to be able to guarantee that a liner will get over that. Okay, stop there for a second. Please. Right here we are coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe. So it looks like we've got a total of about 31 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we come back into the 4-inch. So we should be coming back kind of onto the property line here. David, can you pull that slack out again tight for me? Right there. So 31 feet of 6-inch diameter. We're going to zero out our footage again as we come back into 4-inch. So we are now back in the 4-inch, coming back. I'm going to send this video to you as well, dude. And then back into the PVC here. So we're going to call that 8 feet of 4-inch diameter and 31 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe before we get back into the PVC right here. We're going to now shoot our camera upstream. See what we see. So here's the section it looks like you replaced in the past.
Yeah.
Plastic for quite a ways. Looks like you used ABS plastic.
And it'll be about 20 feet of plastic, and then you're going to hit the cast iron.
Oh, you go right into cast. Did you tie that downspout back in yourself?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, good on you. The upstream looks fine.
Yeah.
We're going to go as far upstream as we can just for shits and giggles here. And then we get back into, I don't know, coming around the turn. I don't know where that is. I think it's dead-ended up there, but alright, let's pull her back. Yep. That was just for informational purposes only.
Well, does the city, will they come out and inspect me, or?
Yeah. So here's what I'm thinking. Let me finish this recording and we'll put the stuff away and I'll tell you what I think. Ending the video.